Are you dealing with a shoulder injury or simply feeling stiff from everyday wear and tear? Hi, I'm Dr. Marty Sanchez, a licensed physical therapist with 2 decades of experience. Here's an exercise you can do at home to help alleviate some of that pain and improve your mobility. Towel internal rotation stretch. This is a great stretch for the rotators of the shoulder to help you with activities like toileting, reaching behind you, and putting your belt on and off. You're going to take a towel as shown and bring it around your shoulder, grasp it with your other hand gently. You want to relax the shoulder and bring the towel up so that your hand moves up your spine to a comfortable height. You don't want to do this too strong and really cause pain in the shoulder. Just find a comfortable stretch and hold that stretch for 30 seconds. Remember, stretchers are way more effective if they're a lighter load for a longer duration. So you don't want to go too hard. This is going to take time. 15 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This exercise is just one in a larger 90-day shoulder program you can complete from the comfort of your own home. No need to visit an office or a clinic. We walk you through the process step by step. You can find a link to the program in the description below. Not ready to dive in and commit just yet? Click here to try another shoulder exercise you'll find in the program.